Have a good day to my future employer. I'm Mary Jean Modelo, 40 years old, single mother with one loving daughter. She's now 10 years old. I'm from Bago City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Currently, I'm here in Philippines. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and I have 10 years experience working as domestic helper in Kuwait with one family. There are 4 members of their family, 2 adults and 2 elderly, and they have also 2 dogs and 4 cats. I'm their all-around housemaid. My main duties is to taking care of the 2 elderly, maintaining cleanliness of the house, cooking, marketing, laundering, and ironing clothes. My duties to the 2 elderly, I'm preparing their healthy food, assisting them drinking their medicines in the right time. Mom and sir, I'm honest, trustworthy, and respectful person. If you hired me, I will do all my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Again, thank you for your time to give me this opportunity to introduce myself to you. Again, thank you so much and have a good day.